We keep asking the wrong question. Not, what jobs will survive? But something much harder to face. What happens when the system no longer needs you at all? We've been trained to think like this. Learning a skill leads to getting a job, leads to staying valuable. But that assumes something that may no longer be true. That the system needs human input to function. What if it doesn't? Factories are already running with fewer people. Software is replacing decisions, not just labor. Entire workflows are becoming automatic. And at first it looks like progress. More output, lower cost, faster systems. The economy still works. Might even work better than before. But then something strange happens. You start to realize it's working without you. Not because you failed, not because you didn't adapt, but because the system simply moved past needing people in the first place. Imagine waking up one day and realizing there's no clear role for you to step into. Not because there are no jobs, but because fewer and fewer humans are required to make things run. The system didn't collapse. It just left you behind. And that's the part no one talks about. Not the economics, not the technology, but the feeling of becoming optional when productivity detaches from people. What exactly are people supposed to become? And maybe the hardest question isn't even about you. It's about what comes next. If the system doesn't need you, what happens to the people coming after you? Because the future might not be a world without work. It might be a world where work exists, but you're no longer needed to do it. Follow Future Systems to learn more.